Hello my friends, today I brought you another story of Akbar and Birbal. You all know who Akbar is, great king who ruled over India in the 16th century. His full name was Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar, and he had a cabinet of very clever ministers. And Birbal was one of the most intelligent of all his ministers. And there are numerous stories of how Birbal was so quick-witted and intelligent. And he also used his quick wit to teach his king a few lessons. You will see how in this story. Once, Birbal and Akbar were walking along in his kingdom. It's winter time and it's very cold. They pass by a lake. Akbar puts his finger into the lake, into the water, and pulls it out immediately. Oh my God, he says, it's so freezing cold. I'm sure nobody will be able to survive in this cold water, even for one night. Birbal thinks, he says, I might be able to find someone who will spend one night in this freezing water if you give him good compensation. Is that so? Okay, Akbar says, whoever does that, I'll give him 1,000 gold coins. Okay, says Birbal, I'm sure I'll find you someone. And so Birbal looks around and finds a poor man who is willing to take the risk. He says, okay, I will spend the night in the lake if the king is going to reward me with 1,000 gold coins. And the next day, Akbar brings his 2 guards and the poor man goes into the lake and stands there for the whole night. Next morning, he's presented in front of Akbar in his court. He goes to collect his reward. So Akbar asks him, how did you stand in that freezing cold all night? The poor man says, oh, Your Highness, there was one lamp in the distance. I kept looking at that lamp and that gave me the strength to stand in the water. Oh, says Akbar, then I cannot give you the reward. You took the heat from that lamp and that's how you survived in the cold. You're not going to get the reward. You're not worthy of the reward. The poor man sobs and leaves. He could say nothing in front of the king. But he goes to Birbal and he asks for help. He says, this is not just, I've been deprived of my reward. The king has gone back on his word. Birbal is upset too. He decides to teach the king a lesson. The next day, he does not attend court. So the king is wondering. He asks around, he asks the guards, he asks the other ministers, he asks the other staff, where is Birbal? They say, we don't know. Akbar sets out to find out what happened to Birbal. And as he goes to his house, he finds Birbal sitting in front of the fire with a pot of khichdi tied above the fire over 6 feet high. There is 6 feet in between the pot of khichdi and the fire. Akbar asks Birbal, what is this? What are you trying to do? Birbal says, I'm trying to make khichdi for my breakfast. So Akbar starts laughing. He says, how could you ever cook anything if you keep it at this height? It's not going to get the heat. Your Majesty, says Birbal, if a poor man standing in the freezing lake can get heat from a lamp which is way out in the distance, then I should be able to cook my khichdi with this fire. Akbar has learned his lesson. He realizes what Birbal wants to say to him, that he has been unfair and unjust. He immediately thanks Birbal for teaching him a good lesson. He calls the poor man, gives him his 1,000 gold coins, and asks for his forgiveness too. Did you like the story? So that's all, folks. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe.